have only $30 to spend on a everyday watch, then this is the video for you. This is a Casio MRW-200HD-7BVCF, a men's diver-style quartz watch with stainless steel bracelet. Talking about the dimensions of the watch, it has a case diameter of 42.9mm, lug-to-lug of 47.9mm, but certainly weighs not as large as it may seem. Case thickness is 11.8mm and bandwidth is 23.8mm, and it is quite lightweight at only 92 grams. This model was launched back in 2020 with various style colors, cases and bracelet options. The one I like most is this version. It has a classic diver style that exudes both sportiness and functionality. The stainless steel bracelet gives it a robust and durable feel, while the white dial with bold black hour markers and hands ensure excellent legibility, even in low light condition. Plus, it features a day and date window at the 3 o'clock position, allowing you to keep track of the day and date easily. The case, however, is resin with silver paint applied to it, and it has a mineral glass crystal. Casio's mineral glass crystal tends to be quite solid for everyday use. The bracelet comes with a push-in clasp with 4 levels of micro adjustment, which is a plus. Speaking of functionality, this watch is water resistant up to 100 meters, making it suitable for swimming, snorkeling and other water-related activities except for diving. But you can confidently take it on your adventures without worrying about water damage, especially because it is so economical. Now let's talk about the movement. The model is equipped with in-house 5125 precise quartz movement, ensuring accurate timekeeping, and is powered by a SR626SW battery that has up to 3 years of battery life and is easily changeable via DIY method. One of the standout features of this watch is the rotating bezel, which is bi-directional. Not only it adds a diver style touch, but also serves a practical purpose. Now let's talk about the low light visibility. While the MRW-200 features luminescent hands, unfortunately it is where the watch reflects its lower price point. The lume is just not something you would want to talk about or look at. After all, it's a low price watch, so that's pretty much expected, but it is there ever so dimly lit for a short while. Alright, let's talk about value. This Casio timepiece offers exceptional value for its price point. Priced at just around $30, it's an absolute steal considering its solid build quality, reliable movement, water resistance and attractive design. It's hard to find a better beater watch within this budget from a well-known brand. In conclusion, the Casio MRW-200HD is a fantastic choice for those seeking an affordable, reliable and stylish beater watch. It's a timepiece that punches well above its weight in terms of value. Whether you're a watch collector, an outdoor enthusiast, or simply someone who's looking for a reliable everyday watch, this watch deserves serious consideration. And that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tech and watch reviews like this one, giving you honest opinion and helping you find the best value for your money. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay stylish and keep ticking.